In an average family home, things tend to break over time. Human relationships, home appliances, and this hand-crank barbecue air blower which has a cogwheel with broken-off teeth. To make a spare part, first we have to measure it precisely. We don't have to spend time on the fiddly process of designing a cogwheel from scratch. Just download a 3D model with identical number of teeth and tailor it for our own needs. In SketchUp there's a handy tool called section plane, with which we can cut a model in half. Select the tool and insert the plane parallel to the cogwheel. Adjust the position so that it will cut the object half at the right place. Then right-click on the plane and select Create Group from Slice. After removing the section plane, it left a surface within the model, which we have to explode to actually cut the object. Now our object has been separated. We can remove the unneeded parts. Rotate it so that the top is at eye level. Now we can select the very top of it and delete. Then rotate the object to eye level again and use the eraser tool to remove the rest. Just click and hold your mouse while dragging across multiple items. Our object has been sculpted. The procedure must be repeated at the bottom. We are left with the skeleton of the cogwheel with the remainders of the holes in the original object. Let's remove those as well. To create a surface, connect two random points of the object with a line. This line can be removed instantly. Then repeat it on the other side. Measure the diameter of the object. Based on that and the desired diameter, we can calculate the percentage by we have to shrink it. Pull the top surface to set the height of the cogwheel. To be able to draw the rest, we have to find the center of the object. Using tape measure, draw two diagonal lines across the object. The intersection of these two determines the center point. We have to draw two lines along the vertical axle, both up and down. It represents the axis of the object. Using the intersection of the axis and top surface as a center, draw a circle to form one half of the shaft. Pull that up as much as needed. The socket of hand crank is made by first drawing a 3 by 3 mm square from the center, then a 6 by 6 mm from the corner. Then the two unneeded lines are deleted. Repeat the same process to form the other end of the shaft. Pull down the crank socket as much as needed. The design is ready. Now it's up to you to pick the method which suits you the best to turn the 3D model into a real object. After assembling it, the fix we did must be properly tested. Cheers and thanks for watching.